Hey everyone, it's Lizzie from Lizzie's World of Gems. Welcome back to my channel. So I updated my diamond painting journal. This is the diamond painting journal I got from Images by Cindy. I'm not sure if her Etsy shop is still open or not, but I did get this cover and I did get these inserts from her as well. For my whips, I lied and I put something back here that shouldn't have been back here. And this one right here, because I am working currently on this one right now. So this one, I have Clem's in here as well. It's not just only mine. So Clem has been working on this one since May 1st of 2025. So it is from Captured by Radiance's Prince of Pride. He is almost done. If he just cracked down and spent a couple of hours on it, he would be done. So I still have this one from Captured by Radiance that I'm working on right now. This is my only whip at the present time. And it is also by Captured by Radiance. It is Christmas at the Village, licensed by Robert Fennell. And I'm probably around here. I think I'm up in here somewhere now or something. I can't remember. But I'm up here somewhere right at the moment. Or somewhere around here. I think I'm by that wreath. Not 100%. Maybe I'm working on this window now. I can't remember. But I'm somewhere around there. So that is that. So I have 2024 and here is my 2025. So I did count. This is my 2025. This is my favorite diamond painting that I completed for 2025. If you guys want to know my favorites of the year, this was one of them. It was from Art and Soul. It was my favorite. I did bling it up a little bit. I did not write down what I blinged up in it, but I did do a lot of changes. I also changed a lot of the rendering because it said it was hand charted, but I don't believe so. I feel like it was half hand charted and half, so what would you call that, a hybrid? I feel like it was a hybrid. And I did change a lot. I changed this up here and I changed her necklace to make it look more like a necklace because the way that it was rendered, it looked horrible. So I feel very proud about that one. Now this one is Clem's as well. He finished it at the beginning of the year, but he started it last year. So that's one finish for Clem. This one I got from Showcase. My daughter bought it for me. The glue was really bad on it. But that's another one I finished. So that's number 2 that I finished for the year. This is the third I finished for the year. It's from Captured by Radiance. It's hard on sleeve. I did it for Love is in the Air. And I loved every minute of it. It's a beautiful painting. That's probably my second favorite of the year. I also finished this one from Dreamers Designs, from Romance Art. Turned out really pretty. This was another favorite of the year. It was Mother's Love from Dreamers Designs. And I did it for Splish Splash Spring Bash because it just brought out some springy vibes. And this little girl reminds me of my granddaughter Luna. So that is why I did that one. Turned out amazing. This is another finish for Clem. So he has 2 for the year. So I lost count of mine. So that's number 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm at 5, he's at 2. So So this is number 6 of the year, and it is the Winter King storybook, True Heart. I finished this one. I loved it as well. This is a very hot seller at Capture by Radiance. So is Heart on Sleeve. So if you want those ones, you better snatch them up while they're still there. I think they're going to order more. This was my first Bella Art de Nicole finish. It was a round. You know, I'm not too keen on rounds, but it turned out pretty. I do have another Bella Art de Nicole in my stash that I'll probably finish in 2026. This one, the cat, the Herbalist Cat by Dreamers Designs. Okay, I lost track again of which one I was on. Now I gotta count again from the start. Oh, aren't I horrible? Okay, don't let me forget, like you guys can tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is number 7. This is number 8. So my 8th finish of the year. This is my 9th finish of the year, and it's special delivery by Diamond Art Club. So that's number 8. I also did the summer things from the summer mini dazzlers from Diamond Art Club. That's number 9. Number 10 is Mini May, my only one that I've ever completed, and that is number 10 on my list. 11 is a double-sided adhesive from Whole Fun that I did for the Tia Challenge. 12 is I finished Train of Dreams that I started last year, and I finished it this year. So that's 12. 13 is the Pandora box by Stacy Deals from Captured by Radiance. And then I have my work in progress, which will be 14. So in the year total, I've only completed, if I complete the one that's here in my whips, this will be my 14th one. So it doesn't seem like I did a lot this year, but if you can see, a lot of these were big paintings. So I did not do any small. I did do a frog that's up here on the wall too. So technically that will be 15 completed once I finish this one. I will have this one finished by the end of the year. I'm almost completed it. So yeah, not that many. I did not get that many done this year. I do notice that I did slow down quite a bit. Well, let's take a look. I feel like I did more in 2024, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16. So pretty close. I'm averaging around 15 to 16 a year, which doesn't seem like a lot. Let's see if I can try to get 20 out next year. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm gonna try. how many did you guys complete this year? Let me know down in the comments down below how many you guys did. And we'll see who's done the most this year. I know it wasn't me. Till next time, guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Lots of love. Hey guys, it's me again. If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe to this video and hit that notification bell, and it'll remind you whenever I load up a video. I'd be super tickled pink. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye.